What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, UyghurMan. The issue of the coronavirus has been escalating quite quickly. The newest number I reported in the Telegraph are showing there are around 75,000 affected people in the city called Wuhan. There's official reports that some of the numbers are currently being projected are undercounted because it is possible that many of the infections have not been reported. New information has come out concerning the spread of the coronavirus in the region of East Turkestan. We are finding out that when the reporters ask the officials how many people might be get infected in that region, you know what the answer is? They said that is state secret. Never makes sense. In China, nothing makes sense. We are asking, is Uyghurs okay? They said that's a state secret. What do you mean? China, I'm just asking, they are alive or not? You said that's a secret. You don't want to answer that. Is that so hard for you to answer that question? And we will see, Chinese Communist Party, how long time you can keep it as your state secret. Nothing can cover the truth. Even though your money might can buy the silent for temporary, but the truth eventually will come out. Let's see, let's wait. Let's see how you're gonna keep it as your state secret. This is outrageous news. Because by not releasing such a statistic, it is hard for the public to know what is going on and how to make decisions concerning their family, their friends in that region. According to Free Asia Radio, as of 2nd February 2020, 24 people have been confirmed by the coronavirus in Uyghurs region. And official reporting is showing that there is an increasing in the supplement of masks to that region. Around 400,000 masks and 40,000 gloves. What is even more concerning is the number of the test kits, around 1,000, sent to the Uyghurs region. In my previous article or my previous videos, I have mentioned the detainment of millions of Uyghurs in that region, that China's so-called re-education camp, due to the people harboring extreme beliefs. Another concern surrounding this outbreak is that crematoriums now are having to run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to keep up the amount of the dead bodies come from hospital and private homes. Let's talk back to that state secret for the number of the people infected in East Turkestan. Don't you think that if China really concerned the containing of this outbreak, they would share the information, they would share what's going on over there, so that the rest of the world we can take a proper action, precautions to handle this outbreak. So a lot of people might ask why China would do that. That's the most frequent question I gotta ask. Okay, in reality, this so-called state secret is they're hiding information to better control the masses, to better control what's going on in China. They try to hide it. They don't want you to see, you don't want you to know. But the fact, the rule of the world is, the fact, the truth gonna come on the table eventually. Maybe Xi Jinping will never learn about this. That's why he thinks that's a state secret. They can hide it. When reporters are not able to go to the health official to get accurate information about the coronavirus outbreak, then it weakens the free flow of the information. Hindering this information flow is a big part of Chinese Communist Party's strategy to only trust information came from the state media. The problem with this is that the state media will only say the things reflect positively on itself. It only benefits Communist Party. They will never speak the truth about what they did, what kind of crimes they did to Uyghurs. Of course, that's your state secret. And for example, there has been news about the underground network that provides transplant organs to willing, wealthy people. And these organs has been proved, has been discovered to be sourced from Uyghurs. That's Chinese state secret. Chinese has a lot of state secret. That's one of them. How many people get infected is state secret. In East Turkestan, many people's family members are just go missing and never get seen again. They are told that they are being taken to that re-education camp. But when asked how long time it takes to those family reunion again, they never answer. Again, that's state secret again. Chinese Communist Party, Uyghurs' life is not your state secret. Uyghurs' life or Uyghurs is okay, or Uyghurs get infected, or Uyghurs get raped is never your state secret. This evil practice is one we cannot easily see into because, as I have reported in my previous articles, reporters are not allowed into this detention center. Again, it's a state secret. They are provided with the images of the people in the classroom, sitting just undergoing innocent re-education camp and assimilation into Chinese culture. This is all just done because they want to distract the people from what's really going on inside of the re-education camp. And actually, by saying that it's a state secret, Chinese Communist Party actually is disclosing what is really going on inside the camp. And they're exposing that state secret. Like Chinese word said, 狗嘴吐不出象牙. It means you cannot find the elephant tooth from the dog mouth. Yeah, you can never find the reality, the truth from the mouth of Chinese Communist Party. They are always as who they are. At the end, I want to say that Chinese state secret, the situation of Uyghurs in concentration camp currently, is something worth to concern, which is I will continue to follow closely because justice is always worth to fight for. Thank you guys. Hope you guys like my video. Please share this video if you like it, and please support this Uyghur man's justice journey. Thank you. See you next time.